Okay, in this video we're going to go through some of the homework problems. So for problems 1 and 2, I see that I have opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. So you're going to set 74 equal to 9x plus 11 and solve for x, and you should be getting x is 7. Okay, same thing. Opposite angles are equal. Set them equal and solve, and you should be getting 8. Okay, another one, opposite angles. Set them equal. Solve for your x, and that one you should be getting 6. Okay, these are not opposite angles. These are consecutive angles. Okay, consecutive angles, they sum to 180. So do not set them equal. Instead, add them together, and that will equal 180. So if you do that, you should be getting x is 12. Okay, number 5 is also consecutive. Add those together. If you add them together, you should be getting x is 1. Now we're back to opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. Set them equal and solve, and you should get x is 4. Okay, for 7, you are back to consecutive. Okay, consecutive are going to sum. Okay, so you're going to add those guys together to 180. And when you solve number 7, you should be getting x equals 9. Okay, number 8 are opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal, and you should be saying this stuff out loud to yourself as well. And that, I believe, is a 48. And so you should be getting x is 3. Okay, here's more opposite angles. Set them equal and solve. You should be getting x is 5. And the last one, they are consecutive. Okay, so don't set them equal. Instead, add them together because they will sum to 180, and you should be getting 3. Okay, so check, make sure you got these answers. And if not, go back and think about what you could do differently so that you're successful when the time of the quiz comes.